This is a 2011 Ford F-150 XLT, two-wheel drive. It's got the 3.7 V6. Has the ABS rain guards above the windows there. It is flex fuel, the Oklahoma edition. They added a tow receiver to it. Has the rugged liner drop-in bed liner. It also has the door keypad entry, and we do have the code for you for that as well, the factory code. It has 134,000 miles on it. Cruise control. Automatic headlights. There's your wipers. It does have a factory tow haul mode. You have your AM, FM, as well as XM radio, and there is a CD player. Single zone climate control. There's an aux port. And a 12-volt port here on the dash. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You do have a gray cloth seat. Manual adjust, 40-20-40 split bench. So you get a little storage here. Flip that up, get another seat. Underneath that, a little more storage. And you also have your cup holder here. Slides in. Coming to the back. Mats on the front and rear. There's a 12-volt port here. These seats fold up as well, with some storage underneath. There is the original owner's manual. And it is remote keyless entry.